Today, fortunes are being made by the forward-thinking companies that are leading the way in the green energy revolution. But as critics of renewables often say, the sun doesn't always shine and the wind doesn't always blow. And in many circumstances, like during extreme weather events, access to electricity can be life-saving. The default solution to these problems has been to turn back to dirty fossil fuels to provide the power essential to our modern lives. But relying on outdated technology to provide backup or portable electricity can be both expensive and dangerous. A solution that is clean, portable, zero maintenance, and safe could revolutionize everything from recreation to construction, off-grid living to disaster response, and so much more. Welcome to Hybrid Power Solutions, clean energy made better.
Hi, my name is Francois Byrne, and I'm the CEO and founder of Hybrid Power Solutions. Early in my career, I was designing and racing hybrid race cars when I realized the potential to revolutionize work sites and other untapped markets with plug-and-play, fuel-free integrated battery systems. And now HPS are the leading North American fuel-free portable power and solar installation experts, connecting consumers, businesses, and industry to reliable, clean, renewable energy when and where they need it. We design, develop, and manufacture best-in-class portable solutions we call the Backpack, which are rugged, compact, can be used inside or out in any weather, and have the potential to not only replace millions of generators, but also to expand the growing interest and demand for fuel-free power solutions. They can be charged from a regular wall outlet or while driving, and are ideal for use with portable or stationary solar systems. The HPS Backpack is an excellent power source for everything from the campsite to the job site. We also offer stationary power solutions for buildings of all sizes. Our innovative Power Tower is an all-in-one home power system. Our state-of-the-art technology makes installing and operating residential backup power quicker and easier than ever before. And cost-effective battery backup is essential to getting the most out of any solar installation. And installations are a big part of our franchise operations and our growing network of solar installers and resellers. Hybrid Power Solutions has the technology and know-how combined with our national brand and marketing strategy to build increased revenue while offering a seamless service and quality product experience to our customers. We aim to take advantage of our vertical integration and market scalability to quickly expand across North America and to grow our suite of recurring revenue streams. On top of all this, we offer custom OEM systems for government, business, industry, and the military. Our scalable containerized technology is optimized to suit the needs of almost any organization.
The global battery energy storage market is expected to more than triple over just the next few years, with states like California leading the way on solar roof mandates and an outright ban on generators. The future potential of this market could be truly enormous. And with our vertically integrated patented technology and robust sales pipeline, Hybrid Power Solutions aims to be at the forefront of this exciting high-growth sector. If you would like to learn more about our advanced technology, our experienced team, and the future of fuel-free power, please visit investhps.com.
We're on a mission to usher in the next generation of power solutions, not only to provide superior products and services to our customer, but also to help fast-track the transition to the future of energy independence and clean energy freedom. Thanks for watching.
Hybrid Power Solutions. Clean energy made better.